commodities now. Manisha Gupta is joining in, and it's that glittering, shiny metal, which is now glittering above the 2,000 mark in the international markets. Manisha, good morning.
Morning, Survi. Well, absolutely. The overnight market has seen nearly $40 of a jump up in case of the gold prices there. Well, we have seen potential US debt default by 1st of June. Well, of course, it's a sentiment and things will work out even if at the 11th hour, it clearly is keeping the premiums on the higher side. And then all the economic data that we have seen coming in, whether it's the new jobs opening in US, which are the lowest in 2 years for the month of March, or the economic numbers from China about retail sales, housing starts, all of that has come in on the weaker side. And gold right now is looking past May. It really is going to be about the statements that we hear going forward and the way the CME Fed's watch tools seem to be working at. So we are working with 90% of a probability that 25 basis point of a rate hike will happen. There's an 85% probability now of a pause in rate hike for the month of June. 15% probability that you could be looking at a rate cut as well. So this is what the street will now watch out for. May has already been factored in. What we see forward going from here is what the street will be looking out for. But even more interesting data really coming in from World Gold Council, which says that more and more central banks are adding gold into their reserves. Singapore says that they have added 17 tons and now have taken the total reserves to nearly 222 tons. China also has bought 18 tons, taking it to 2,000 tons right now. India has been a very strong buyer in the international markets for gold. 3.5 tons has been added for the month of March. That takes it to nearly 7.3 tons for the first quarter. And in total, Indian government now holds 794 tons of gold within their reserves. We have seen last year gold buying at a record highs, and the first quarter of this year as well has taken the numbers only higher.
Thank you very much for that, Manisha. Let's now get a corporate